Hi everyone, welcome back. So this is the last part of my new Wet n Wild Mood Collection series. This is going to be a quick video because I only have 2 blushes and 1 lippy set to show you guys. But I love trying on blushes and I love trying on lippies, so let's get started. This is a limited edition collection and this is the blush from the Monday Feels. There is also a Monday Feels eyeshadow palette, which I already did a video on that. That was part 1. This looks like a really good everyday shade. And it smells like a sweet, heavily caffeinated, but still a latte type of drink. Oh wow. That's actually, I did not expect it to be this pigmented. It looks a bit ashy too, actually. I did bring you guys a little bit closer so you can get a better look. Here's what it looks like with going in one time. I'm gonna try to go in a second time. It is giving me a little bit of an ashy look. So it's super cool toned, but still neutral and a little ashy looking. Kind of, I don't know. I'm not sure how I feel about this one.
Yeah.
I guess it's a good shade if you really don't want to be cutesy in any way possible. When you want to be like super serious, maybe for a meeting at work, you know, and you still want blush on your face, but you want to be serious. That might be a good time for it. But for me, I feel like there's some sort of blue color or gray or something in there where it is looking a little bit ashy on me. Other blush I have is the 0F's Given. So there is a 0F's Given palette, which I really liked, which was part 2. I do like the little detail on these blushes. I am going to try to be a little bit lighter handed, but because it's super pigmented. Oh wow. Okay. This one does still look a little bit gray, but this one doesn't. So this one seems to be pretty good. It's nicely pigmented, so I was able to use a light hand and it still worked for my skin. The lighter, more neutral shade, and here is the brighter shade. Okay, and the last item I have is a lippy set. So this lippy set is a Monday Feels lippy set, and it came with a pencil and a lip gloss. This lip liner is exactly the color of my lips. So I am going to overline it. I do like the lip liner. It's not super creamy in that it could bleed, and it's also not super dry either. I like it. Lip gloss. This also has some sort of scent. And I do like this formula of the lip gloss. I did wear it before. It's very comfortable. I mean, the scent could be a little overbearing for some people, so do keep in mind that the scent is strong, but if you really like the coffee drinks type of scent, then you might like it. I don't mind it. It is a really good, comfortable formula. And it looks beautiful. Color in the lip gloss is good opacity, so it does cover your lips. It has a nice shine, and it is comfortable to wear. I like it. All right, that's it. Those are the 3 products I had. The series for Wet n Wild Mood Collection comes to an end, and I will be starting another series. This next series I am so excited about because I get to do so many different things. It's going to be a fall season series, so it's gonna range from makeup, home decor, perfumes, and even some food. And I do want to get those out to you guys as soon as possible, because once October hits, then I'm going to be in Halloween mode. I hope you guys like all the series that I'm doing because it's so much fun for me to film them. And if you do like them, if you did like this video, make sure to hit that like button. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.